Namaste tech enthusiasts, Suraj here back on the Be10x channel. Today we are venturing into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Get ready to meet a new superstar in the tech world, Devin, the first AI software engineer. But is Devin here to steal our jobs? Let's break it down and see what this AI rockstar is all about. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x has an exclusive workshop on AI tools. The link is in the description below. We will talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
Imagine a world where AI can write code, develop websites, and build software all its own. That's the promise of Devin, created by a company called Cognition. They claim Devin is the first AI software engineer capable of tackling entire projects from scratch, just like a human coder. Here's the exciting part. Devin doesn't just churn our code. It can understand your instructions, analyze data, and even come up with creative solutions to coding problems. Think of it as having a super smart coding buddy who can work tirelessly and learn new things at lightning speed. But hold on a second. This talk of AI software engineer might have some of you worried about your jobs. Will robots take over coding and leave us all unemployed? Well, experts say it's not that simple. Devin is still under development, and while it can handle basic tasks, complex projects might still require the human touch. Imagine a situation where Devin writes most of the code, but a human coder swoops in to add finishing touches, any bugs, and ensures everything runs smoothly. This teamwork between humans and AI is where the real magic happens. So how Devin can benefit coders like you? Here's the exciting part. Devin can free up a lot of your time. Repetitive coding tasks that takes hours can be automated by Devin, allowing you to focus on more creative aspects of software development like problem solving and innovation. Think of it this way. Devin handles the mundane stuff while you, the human coder, become the mastermind behind the project. This can lead to faster development cycles and even more innovative software solutions. Devin's arrival marks a significant step in AI development, but it's just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, the future of coding looks exciting. Imagine a world where AI helps us write cleaner code, identify and fix bugs faster, and even comes up with new coding languages. This collaboration between humans and AI has the potential to revolutionize the software development industry and create a future filled with even more incredible technological advancements. The world of AI is moving fast, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Don't let AI become mastery. Learn how to leverage it to your advantage. Here at Be10x, we offer an exclusive AI Tools workshop designed especially for working professionals like you. In this workshop, you will learn about the latest AI tools, discover practical applications for your field, and gain the skills to confidently integrate AI into your workflow. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Secure your future and become an AI pro. Click the link in the description below to join our exclusive Be10x AI Tools workshop today. The future of AI and coding is bright, but it requires a collaborative effort. We need to ensure that AI development is ethical and responsible, focusing on tools that empower human coders and benefit society as a whole. Imagine a future where AI acts as a valuable assistant to coders, helping them create amazing software solutions that improves our lives. This is the future we should all be working towards. So what do you think about Devin, the first AI software engineer? Do you think it's a game changer for the coding world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's not forget the fun part. With Devin around, many coders can finally win those hackathons they have been eyeing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. And most importantly, check out the link in the description for our AI Tools workshop. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.